This is a screencast on using side or edge lengths to calculate the volume of cuboids. So what this means is that, well, let's start with volume, is the amount of area, space inside a 3D shape. And a cuboid is a shape can be any shape that's similar to a cube, like so. So that has 6 sides. So it could be more of a rectangular prism type shape like this. Would work the same way. So those are the two important words. And when we're using the side and edge length, these when we know the measurements of these edges here, we're actually able to calculate what the volume of this shape is. So in front of you have a cuboid. Now cuboids, when we're talking about volume, there are 3 key measurements we need. We need the height, we need the length, and we need the depth. And those are really important because that whenever we measure volume, we need to measure the units of measurement are either meters cubed, centimeters cubed, or kilometers cubed. And the reason being is that 3 is to do with, because there are 3 types of measurement, it's 3-dimensional, it's a 3D shape. So let's try an example now. Let's imagine we had, this was 4 meters high, 6 meters long, and the depth was 3 meters. Now we simply calculate this by, the formula for figuring it out is height times length times depth. H for height, L for length, D. So that gives us our volume. So if we were to do this now, the height is 4 meters times 6 meters, which is the length here, down here, times 3 meters, which is the depth, which gives us an answer of 72 meters cubed. So if we go back over that again, it's height times length times depth equals volume. So the height in this case is 4 meters, which goes with this one. The length is 6 meters, so that's why that's there, and the depth is 3 meters. We times those together. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72, and it's meters squared because each of these are in meters. It's a unit of measurement, and remember, because we use that cubed as the unit of measurement of volume. Let's try another example here. So let's go further. Let's imagine that the height this time is 8 meters. Actually, we'll scrap that. Let's make it 8 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters is the length, and 2 centimeters is the depth. So go back to our formula. That's height times length times depth equals V for volume. So our height is 8 centimeters. Our length is 10 centimeters. And our depth is 2 centimeters. It's equal to, and if we multiply those together, 8 centimeters times 10 centimeters makes 80, times 2 makes 160 centimeters cubed.